Hello everyone, it's Abra with you. Today I will teach you how to crop objects in Photoshop. I have selected two images for this tutorial. The one you can see on my screen and another image is this one. I want to crop this lamp edge to edge and wanna paste on this image. In Photoshop, I will use couple of options to crop it and we'll see which option is perfect for it. First of all, I will go to the Marquee tab and we'll see. These all Marquee tools work in the same way. So let me select the rectangular Marquee tool and see. Try to select from this edge to this edge and see what happens. See, the Marquee tool is not allowing me to select edge to edge in a curvy way because it is working horizontally or vertically. So this tool doesn't make sense for us to use. So let's try the Eclipse Marquee tool and see it will work with the same way as well. So we will not use this tool to crop this lamp. Let's firstly move to this lasso tool option. I'm just moving it fast because I know that which tool is working fine with that, which is not. So otherwise the video will be quite long. So let me select this. If you're good in drawing the straight line, this tool is for you. Let's see if I can or oh no, it is not working in my case. Let me select another tool. The polygon lasso tool, and let's see how it works. Mm, 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 mm. Here. Let me go up. I'm just doing it fast. I'm not giving attention to details. Otherwise, this tutorial will be quite long. What happened? Why it's not going up? Let me select again. Something happened wrong. Let me do it fast. Let me go up. Uh, See this? It's very difficult for me to go back. Whatever I'm drawing is I cannot take decisions in those lines which I already drew over there. See this? What happened over here? Let me move it up. What happened? Why it's not moving up? Oh yes, it is working. So let me go there, here. I'm repeating it again. I'm not giving attention to details because the purpose is only to tell you that which tool is better to crop the objects in such type of cases. Let me select it, come C or Control C, paste it over here. Yes, it's good. It's pretty well. Okay, let's go back, deselect it, and fastly move to the magnetic lasso tool. Again, the same story is this generate a lot of anchor points, but let's see how good you are to draw the lines. In this case, if you see that the color of the background and the foreground is not so not a big difference between both, so that is why this tool is not sensing it properly. So I would not recommend this tool for that. So I'm moving to this pen tool. In this tool, I will try to utilize those all options, especially the add anchor, delete anchor, and convert point tools. So let's start cropping the object using the pen tool. I'm not masking right now. I'm just working on normal layers. In my another video, you can learn how to mask the objects. See this? I do not need to draw so many anchor over there. Let's work with that way. And let me go here. Let me go up there, the wire. See this? You can also see the by default color which is on my foreground. That's not a big deal. Go to the layers and just make it opacity 0. So you will see those lines only. Let me curve it and let me, no, I can press Ctrl Z2 and now draw here. Yes, it's working fine. Go there, from here, draw a curve, and then here. I will show you this all here and here. Let me zoom out. See that how fast it is to select the whole lamp. However, I'm not happy on at some points. See this? I feel that this is an extra anchor point I have created. I want to delete that one. However, in other tools, that facility was not available. So let me go to the pen tool. Let's delete anchor point tool and then click it over there. And then now go back to your convert point tool, and accordingly you can move your anchor point using arrow keys, and you can also adjust that one. So you feel that it should be little down. Yes, you can make it down. If you feel that it is should be something like this, yes, you can make it like this. Basically, it should be further down. Yes. Let me add one more anchor point here and adjust this curve. See this, how easy it is and how easy it is. Let's move it little here and then here. See this, how easy it is to create that one. Now, for example, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. Now, if I want to add one more anchor point, I know I wanna extend it further, or I wanna extract it, shrink it further. So just go to this anchor point, drop it here, and then select this one, or and easily you can see this with your keyboard. You can adjust it accordingly. So how friendly it is. So just click on it, select it, click on your background layer because the object is on your background layer, copy and paste it here. Now I have two lamps over there. One is which I cropped with the polygon lasso tool, and another one is with the pen one. The results are same, but the thing is about if you have complex objects and all, how flexible you are to use. The pen tool, according to my point of view, is quite flexible. You can adjust the anchor points. You can also, if the selection is wrong, you can also go back and make your selection correct. This is quite flexible compared that to the other roles. Let me adjust those lamps on this page. Let me reduce the size by 50% and put it here. Let me decrease the size by 30% and Put it here. Something here we can put it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Both tool works fine. The polygon lasso tool, the results are quite good. However, we are not flexible in our decisions. If there is some point is wrong, we cannot revert it back. We have to stick with this one, or we have to draw it again. With pen tool, if something is happened wrong, don't worry about this one. You can go back, you can delete, you can add more anchor points to adjust your selection. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please feel free to write it down in comment sections and I will reply them accordingly.